Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get employee discount on McDonald's app. So I have this McDonald's DST restaurant management page where you can see you can get a national employee discount on McDonald's. So you can get 30% off your orders at participating McDonald's restaurants worldwide. Whether you are at local McDonald's or taking a road trip, you can get 30% off your McDonald's meal with the national employee discount. And in order to use it, you'll have to first of all open the McDonald's global mobile application. So this will be the McDonald's application that you're going to use. You can simply navigate to mcdonalds.com and click on Get It on Google Play button, and you'll be able to successfully download the McDonald's app. Now, after downloading the application, you'll have to simply navigate to the rewards and deals section of that application that you will see in the menu of the last page. So navigate to rewards and deals and select national employee discount option in the rewards and deals. After you click on this button that says national employee discount, you can easily scan the mobile offer at checkout or place a mobile order to get 30% off on your order. So these are the 4 steps that you have to go through in order to get the employee discount on McDonald's. Also, you'll have to ensure that you're using the same email address for the McDonald's app that you gave at orientation of your employee record. So if you're an employee, make sure you're using the same email address while logging into the application that you sent McDonald's while doing the orientation for your employee record. If they don't match, the system will not recognize you as an employee and add the discount. If you would like to update your email address on the file, you can contact the office at this number or talk to your manager. So these were the 4 steps that you have to follow to get the McDonald's employee discount. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.